Good morning, class 1. After seeing the video and practically knowing the different parts of computer, now let us start the next chapter, that is chapter number 3, parts of a computer. So there are 4 essential parts of a computer as I explained in the video also. First is monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Let's start the chapter. Like the human body, a computer has many parts. You know that there are many parts of your body which help you to function properly, like your eyes, hands, nose, and many other parts. And each part has a specific function, dear children. Just like that, a computer has many parts, and there is a specific function of each part of the computer. They are designed and made for a specific function. What all are their functions we will study. First, the 4 basic parts of a computer are monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. You have seen all these parts. I have shown you practically. Okay, and you can see here also in this picture. Now, all these parts are very important and have various functions to perform. They are very important just like our body parts, and they have various functions to perform. Like our hands can do many things. We can write using hands, we can cook using hands, we can eat using hands, and various other functions. Same way, each part of the computer performs many functions. Okay children, now let us see. As I shown you in the video, first is monitor. The monitor screen looks like a television screen. These days we have the monitor screen just like the television screen. Earlier it was not so. Okay, you can check from the internet that earlier the screen and the monitor was a different. Today it is almost like television that you are having at your home. What is the function of the monitor? It displays whatever the computer does. Whatever that we are doing in the computer using keyboard, mouse or any other device, it is shown on the monitor. You can watch movies like Harry Potter, My Friend Ganesha, Stanley Ka Dabba, Home Alone, Spider-Man, Batman, Dunstan, Jackson, Tare Zameen Par, Hanuman, etc. on a monitor. You can watch various other movies. These are some of the names of the movies, and also you can play games on the computer. If you have computer at your home or your parents are having laptop with them, you can try to see, you can type through the keyboard and you can see how it is working. How we can see whatever that we will type, whatever work we will do, it will be shown on the monitor. Okay children, now let's move to computer manners. To prevent overheating, means so that your computer don't get heated up, you should never cover the fan opening of your computer CPU. Means you can cover your CPU when the computer is off, and you should cover the CPU so that dust don't get in. But when it is on, you will not cover any part of the computer, not just CPU but any part of the computer. Similarly, never cover the air openings of your monitor. This is while working, you will never cover it. But when you are not working, you need to cover your computer system because it is very sensitive to dust. Okay children? Now, this is CPU. I have shown you CPU as a box. It is kept as a box, and if you will not start CPU, the computer will not start functioning. This is CPU, and though it is like in this box form, but actually it is somewhat like this. Okay, it is the brain of the computer. As I told you, it is just like We have brain in us. Similarly, computer is so very important for CPU is so very important for the functioning of computer. This is CPU box, and you can see many other types of CPU box, but this structure will almost remain same. So CPU, what is the meaning of CPU? Means central processing unit. It is the brain of a computer. Means it is that place, central processing, where it is the center point of the functioning of the computer, where everything related to computer will be processed. It is that central point. Okay, like whatever we want to do by our body, whether we want to perform any function by hand or by legs or by eyes or by nose, we know that it will first, the instructions will go to brain, and then only it will be executed. We will be able to perform. Suppose if we want to pick up any glass using our hand, the brain will direct the hand that you have to do it. Same is the function of central processing unit. It will be guided, the computer will be guided by CPU to perform all its functions.